de minuto, vou te levar ao céu. Vou te catucar e fazer o Wonderwell.
That video you just watched was mind-blowing, right? You saw how perfectly my face was swapped in and how real the whole thing looked. Today, we're recreating that exact result using just one platform called Magic Hour. Once you log in, you'll drop into a dashboard filled with templates for video, images, and audio. But today, we are focusing on 3 core features: face swap video, image to video, and the AI image editor. The best part? You can do all of this right from your mobile phone. It's super easy. Let's jump in. First up, let's click on the face swap video tool. When the interface opens, just upload your target video, exactly like this. You can easily preview it and trim the clip to fit your needs. Next, we choose the swap type. You can pick either a single face swap or a multiple face swap. For this example, we'll stick to the single face swap. Now this is where it gets fun. Upload the photo of the face you want to use. Once that's in, you can set your start and end times. I'm going to set mine for about 5 seconds. Hit Create Face Swap. The video will start processing and you can watch the preview on the right side. Once it's done, check out your final output. You can even use the compare button to view the original and the new version side by side. If everything looks good, just hit download. Let's move on to the next tool, image to video. Click on it and you'll land in the dashboard where we turn a static photo into motion. Start by uploading your image. You can upload files up to 5 GB or grab inspiration from the samples they show here. Adding an end screen is totally optional, but we're going to add one for a much better result. Next, we head to the model section. You'll see a ton of options here, like LTX 2.2, CANS 1.0, CANS 2.0, Kling 2.5, Kling 3.0, Sora 2, VO 3.1, VO 3.1, Light Kling 1.6. But for our project, we are selecting Kling 3.0. Below that is the prompt box. You don't have to use this, so we'll skip it for now and jump straight into the settings. With Kling 3.0, you can make clips up to 15 seconds long. I'm going to set ours to 7 seconds. For quality, it allows up to 1080p. There's also a multi-source toggle. You can leave it off, but we are going to turn it on for this video. Now just click Generate Video. Your image and end screen will upload first. Once that's complete, it builds the project and starts generating the actual video. Give it a few moments to work. Just look at that final result. Notice how detailed and realistic the motion is? Now let's check out the AI image editor. Click to open it up. Right away, you'll see an interface with sample images if you need some quick inspiration. To get started, we need a base photo. I already have one ready, so I'll just upload it right here. Now tell the AI what you want to edit. For my photo, I'm typing in that I want to change the background into mountains and change the blazer color into white. You can also pick your aspect ratio here, but I'll just leave it on auto. Next up is the model section. You'll spot choices like Quenedit Nano, Banana, Nano Banana 2, Seedream 4, Nano Banana Pro, Seedream 4.5. We are going to choose Seedream 4.5 for this edit. You can crank the resolution all the way up to 4K if you want. The tool will also give you helpful suggestions like soft lighting, enhancing the image, or changing the background, but we will ignore those for today. Hit Generate Image. The system will start processing, and after just a few moments, your new image is ready. Look how clean this looks. It feels just like a real photograph. The blazer is perfectly white, and that mountain background looks completely natural. But here's the interesting part. This platform gives you extra tools right out of the box, like edit, remove background, retouch photos, swap faces. But my absolute favorite is the upscale feature. Let's click on the upscale option and hit Upscale Image. Just watch what happens. See how beautifully the image has been enhanced? You can use this to sharpen literally any image you have. Once you're happy with it, simply download it. The more we test these features, the better this tool gets. Before we wrap up, there's one last feature we have to test, the ready-to-use templates. We will pick a template and click Use this template. From here, all you have to do is upload a single photo. The system automatically does the heavy lifting to create a face swap video for you. I'll add my image and hit generate. Give it a few seconds and your ready to use video is done. Just look at that result. It is smooth, realistic, and completely effortless. Overall, this platform is incredibly powerful. We tested multiple features today, but honestly, there are still so many more tools left to explore. I'll definitely be using this more in the future. You should absolutely give this a try yourself. Having image creation, video editing, and face swapping all in one place makes the entire workflow so simple and efficient. I've dropped the link to the platform down in the description, so make sure to check it out and explore it for yourself. If you got value out of this video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments if you want me to test more AI tools like this. I'll see you in the next one.